Can ChatGPT help with keyword research and SEO optimization for affiliate marketers? Absolutely. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can significantly aid affiliate marketers in keyword research and SEO optimization. Let's explore how ChatGPT can be your secret weapon to unlock the potential of search engine rankings and attract organic traffic to your affiliate marketing websites. Keyword research is a vital aspect of any successful SEO strategy. It involves identifying the terms and phrases people use when searching for information or products related to your niche. With ChatGPT, you have a valuable ally in discovering relevant keywords and expanding your list of target search terms. Engage in a conversation with ChatGPT, providing it with the main topic or focus of your affiliate marketing website. Ask for suggestions on related keywords that have high search volume but moderate competition. ChatGPT will tap into its vast knowledge base and provide you with a plethora of long-tail keywords, niche-specific terms, and trending search queries that can be incorporated into your content. For example, let's say you're in the fitness niche and your website promotes health supplements. You engage with ChatGPT and discuss the main topic of your website, emphasizing the importance of finding effective keywords to attract potential customers. As the conversation unfolds, ChatGPT generates a range of relevant keywords such as best protein powders for muscle gain, natural weight loss supplements, and pre-workout supplements for energy boost. These valuable keyword suggestions can be integrated into your content and meta tags, helping your website rank higher in search engine results. But keyword research is just the beginning. ChatGPT can also provide guidance on SEO optimization techniques and best practices. Engage in a conversation with the model, discussing your website's specific pages, content structure, and desired search engine rankings. Ask for advice on optimizing your website's meta tags, headlines, and content for improved visibility in search engine results. Let's continue with our fitness supplement website example. You converse with ChatGPT, seeking guidance on optimizing your product pages for search engines. As you engage, ChatGPT suggests incorporating targeted keywords naturally within the product descriptions, including relevant subheadings, and optimizing meta tags with compelling and descriptive snippets. It even shares tips on writing engaging and informative blog posts that can attract backlinks and boost your website's authority in the eyes of search engines. Furthermore, ChatGPT can provide insights on SEO trends and emerging strategies. Discuss current SEO challenges you're facing, such as improving page loading speed, optimizing for mobile devices, or leveraging schema markup. ChatGPT can generate innovative ideas and recommendations to address these challenges and keep your website at the forefront of SEO excellence. In conclusion, ChatGPT is not just a conversational AI, but also a valuable assistant for keyword research and SEO optimization. Engaging with ChatGPT allows you to tap into its vast knowledge and expertise, providing you with a wealth of keyword suggestions, content optimization strategies, and SEO best practices. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can improve your search engine rankings, attract organic traffic, and ultimately boost the success of your affiliate marketing endeavors. Click the link below to get started with an affiliate marketing program that uses ChatGPT to save time and improve marketing results. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.